Hello again. Today marks the 6th month anniversary of the Samsung S22 Ultra, and so I decided to make a video about it with the good and the bad points about the phone that I've found over the last 6 months. Let's put that away. Right, so first up of course is the camera. I think the camera is what has been selling this phone to the masses. The camera on this is incredible with the 100 times zoom. The 100 times zoom isn't really very usable, as you'll see in the sample images in a minute, but the 10 times and the 30 times are very nice and very presentable, and you can use them most of the time. So anyway, I'll shut up and I'll show you a few of the images. So what did you think about those? I was very impressed, and I'm sure you were too. Next up, bad thing, the colour. This is the burgundy colour that they released, and I thought it was such a beautiful and different colour that I bought mine in this colour. But it soon wore off. I really didn't like it after a very short time. That's why I usually put a case on like this one, so you can't see the burgundy at all. The burgundy colour, as you can see, the case doesn't cover up all of it, and so you can see it here and there, and I really not very good. In a lot of the cases you can see the buttons and things, and anyway. So that was one of the bad points for me. I wish I'd got the black. Battery life. The battery life on this phone is not too bad. For a big battery, it's not the best, but I get a solid 2 days of battery life out of each charge, and sometimes I get more. It depends on how much you use it, of course. Okay, just quickly back to the camera again. Expert RAW. If you download this app from the Samsung Play Store, I believe. No, the Google Play Store. No, this is the Samsung Play Store. If you download the Expert RAW, the photographs are so much nicer. They use the larger camera, and they really come out nicely. And again, I'll show you some sample images. This is with the Expert RAW, and of course it's RAW, so you can change anything about the photograph afterwards, and it's in very nice high detail. If you can really zoom into that. And if I just quickly show you the normal regular camera. So this is the normal camera. By no means is it a bad photograph, but there's not as much information and not as many pixels, so you can definitely with the Expert RAW take a nicer image and play with it and change it about. So last one, I'll just show you one more of these. There we go. As I said, definitely not a bad image. Right, I've finished with the camera now. I'm not going to bore you with that any further. Right, okay, let me see. Negative. Right, negative. The screen protector that they applied to this phone from the factory hasn't really held up very well. You can't really see it, so I'll do some close-up macro images. There we go. So there's some bubbles and some scratches, and on the edge and the bottom it's actually lifting up in places as well. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. It looks like somebody's partial fingerprint. And these are special screen protectors because they're applied with UV, and so it makes them a lot harder than a regular one. But it definitely lifts up. It doesn't look the best. Right, so that's what I've found so far over the last 6 months of use. and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.